I'm Kira. I'm 21 years old. I'm Indian and I'm proud of that very much. And the people who are trying to offend me or trying to insult me by saying I'm fake, for those, I'm not. Because look in the mirror, look at yourself, and ask the question that how good you're faking. You shouldn't be doing this. You should go and audition for acting, I think, or faking. And everyone who are telling me that I'm an Wattpad writer, so for them, their Mrs. Jion or Jion couple story is like a fairy tale. There are up and down in the relationship. JK will not ask anyone if he can date a girl or not. It's his life, it's his matter, it's his love. Literally, we are doing more by predicting his future wife who is not existing in Korea right now. I saw many of the videos. I was not aware of this before, but in April 2021 I and my sister watched many of the fake videos which people are making and telling about themselves, or like that, my appearance, my everything, my beauty, she will be doctor, she will be idol, she will be actor. Nothing like that, okay? And first of all, a girl, a very mad, like pure spirituality. She is doing more, and I know why she is doing that. Because I'm spilling truth, and I think there is no space for truthness in this world or in this universe. I just don't know why people just close their eyes and just believe in anything. Means spilling truth or telling truth is a crime or what? Exos Chen, you know about him. He dated a girl, he married to her, and he got her pregnant, and he is a good father. No one was knowing that he was married and anything like that. Did he ask his fan or anything that should I date or not? It was a secret relationship, and it was very secret, although he was in camera 24 hours in front of cameras. So this is a very good example for JK or Jion couple or any of the BTS member or any K-pop idol. Everyone tells me that I'm fake, I'm teenager, and I'm writing Wattpad stories. It is written anywhere that a predictor can't write stories or open a new channel and write FF about that. No, means you show me where it's written that a predictor can only do predicting and not anything else. I'm a girl, I'm born with talents, I have talent of predicting and many. Means I'm not telling only writing stories and anything like that. And it's really very okay. It's me, Kira, who is saying this. I imagine things, but only for my FF channel. In Kira Saret world or in Mrs. Jion, I have never added a imagine thing. I'm 100% sure. I meditate, I channel her, I know each and everything about her. But if you people don't want to know truth, then let's get out of this. Many people are jealous, many are good, and I have 3 to 4 girls who are literally support me like I am their breath or anything like that. And I'm very happy. I am still in hospital. I have 102 temperature. I have fever. And I am taking medicines. I'm very sick right now and I'm heartbroken that how can be people so cold-hearted that they can say anything they want on anyone's channel or anything like that. I'm not offending anyone and nor any predictor, not idol, not JK, not Mrs. Jion. The point is of telling truth. See, a people or a person can tell lie about their country or by their name, their birthday. So how far they can lie about Mrs. Jion? Why don't you think that? I'm telling, I'm Indian, I'm 21 years old, and if you want to accept that fact, then accept or just go away. I will not talk any rubbish or anything like that, but still, I'm predicting, I'm giving my 100% to it, finding Mrs. Jion. And I'm not a hard fan of her or anything like that, or I'm not a wannabe who wanted to go Korea and go to Jungkook. No, but I want to know everyone that they are watching fake. They are watching literally fake videos, like, and one girl is literally telling that in her birth chart there is moon influence. She is moon goddess. She is moon child. Really? How can you say that? And telling that I am literally true and other predictors are fake. And one thing about fake predictor, K-pop divination, I don't think she is fake. By reading her words, her genuine words, she is trying to show the real version of JK and Mrs. Jion. A person can have two sides and two personalities. One he shows on the camera and in front of people, another one he acts in his reality or life, we say. We doesn't know JK is dating or not, but I'm 100% sure there is girl in his life and it's truth. If you want to believe or go away. This is the truth. I can see many of the incidents where he is attracting towards girl or anything like that. But I will not tell because I know you will go and unsubscribe me. It's okay. I don't mind if you unsubscribe me. But telling truth, it's my right. I'm a predictor. I'm a child of a god. And I'm not a shameless creature who is talking anything shitty things on predicting. And really, for subscriber, that girls who is making Mrs. John videos for only views and subscribers. And if I really wanted to have subscribers or a channel, I would have opened BTS Shorts channel or FF channel, and I did it. And if I have to keep it secret, why would I have tell in all my videos that please go and subscribe my other channel? I'm not that fool, guys. No one is fool. Please understand, don't watch fake. I'm not telling watch only me or I'm goddesses or I'm very true predictor in whole universe. I'm not telling that. The point is, what is the truth? I was literally crying yesterday by how people are telling me, giving me bad words in my comments and mentioning me in their videos. And one love scenery channel, really Kira's Tarot World exposed. Wow, really? Do you think that if you will do that and I will be caught off guard? No, because I'm true. I will always say true and always say truth about Mrs. Jion. If you want me to give you real answers, true answers, then please comment me. If you want me to go away or close this channel, then please also comment me. I am not offending anyone, not any predictor, and not about predicting. The point is that they all are fake. And they are copying each other, They are literally doing. People are correct. We can't tell whole appearance, whole habits, or whole nature. But we can specifically say their nature and something like that. We get visions, sometimes we get numbers that tells us that true meaning of that we have to find out. We are not free here or anything like that. And people say I'm Wattpad writer. So let it be, I'm writing stories or anything like that. I know I'm true. I'm saying truth. So thank you for supporting and loving me. Euphoria, online tuition, and many girls on my channel. I'm very thanks to you all. And I'm still predicting about her. I made this video because many of you are telling me that I am fake. To all the people, I don't give fuck to them. Copy me, copy repost. Should I make my channel a Creative Commons one? So you can directly put my video on your channel. No, literally pure spirituality. Try anything. You are fake and just fake, and you are Indian 100% sure. My sister is sitting beside me. She is listening my speech, this long ass speech. But I'm telling truth. This is my truth. And this video ends here. I don't want anyone to offend me or write bad comments or insulting comments in the comment section. This is the truth. If you want, I can give you true answers, and I'm not telling. There are good predictors, Aliza Multifacts, 3D Mysterious Life, Tarot Reader, and 2-3 more who are really true, and others who are telling really fake. Please stop. You are shame on yourself, shame on this earth, and everything like that. Stop telling fake. If you really want, tell something good, and not about moon. She has no connection with moon, not at all. Thank you very much. I'm still breathing heavily. I never spoke this much, and this is my first time doing a voice talking with you guys. Hope you like my bad voice. And I'm sure about my predicting, I'm sure about my videos, and I'm not a wannabe or anything like that. I'm spilling truth. If you want, I can tell JK's truth to you all, or I can give you hints. I was knowing about RM, Jean, Sugha's condition very well, but I didn't wanted anyone to offend me or anything like that, and it came true, really. And I'm sure that JK is good. JK is attracted to many of girls till now, but he's not in relationship or very seriously with them, like friends. But Mr. Jian will be the only lover. His love, his soulmate, twin flame, anything like that, no, doesn't matters. But Mrs. Jian will be the last girl he will be attracted to. Thank you very much. This is your Kira. Love you. Bora hai. Take care. I'm sorry I am not taking care of myself, but I love you very much. Thank you. If you want, please comment me.